Ladies and gentlemen, living historic moments, we still can't believe it. Today is Saturday, June 27, 2026. It is about 9 a.m. It's a little bit later than my usual sports activities. I am about to try out a new creek or a new side of Shingle Creek. I usually go to Kissimmee. You've seen my videos, my TikTok and Instagram fans that I have. I usually go to the Kissimmee one, but now I am trying the one that's closest to my house. I usually come walking, hiking over here. Sometimes I've taken my bike. I've also biked, but I've never actually kayaked or boated or anything like that. So I'm gonna try it out. I've always seen the canoe, the launch. I've seen the signs. When I walk, I've seen this path. I've already taken my kayak. It's half in the water already, and I plan to kayak that way. Because this way, eventually I'll try this way too. But this way, I know it's like towards Shingle Creek in Kissimmee. But then that way will be brand new territory for me. So I want to try it. So anyway, I will keep you informed. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, getting in the kayak and putting it in the water may be a little tricky. I'm just going to, because it's a little bit of a slope here and wet. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, hate getting my kayak wet, but there. Okay, gotta get in it before it leaves, before it floats away. Oh shit. Sorry about the cussing, but I got a little wet, but I am here. It is pretty shallow, and it is actually flowing. I'm flowing downstream. So I think I'm going to paddle upstream, I guess. Anyway, I'll let you know how it goes. It's really shallow, you can see. It's about, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 feet deep. It's not bad at all. And it's very, very beautiful. I love the cypress trees. Anyway, we will keep you informed as these historic moments transcend. As expected, local residents. It's probably gonna fly away when I get close. I expected that to happen sooner. If you see, I just went under that bridge back there. That's the trail, the hiking trail, bike trail, the one I used to hike and when I used to come with Doki. I used to come with Doki hiking here all the time, and so it's the first time that I've tried this creek though. I would have tried bringing Doki with me. He would have fit right here. He would have been just chilling like always. Anyway, you got a visitor here not happy that I'm here. I mean, not a visitor, a resident. out. Get the fuck out, he's saying. I've actually named my kayak. My kayak's name is Fred. So this is Fred, guys. Say hello, Fred. Hello, hello. Hello, everybody. All right, so this is Fred. So Fred and I are going to go ahead and keep paddling. The current is a little stronger here. Yeah, the current is a lot stronger over on this side. If I stop paddling, I'll just go back. Well, it seems like Fred and I have encountered a problem. It looks like a dead end. There's a lot of vegetation in the middle, and there's no actual path to go through that I see. Anyway, let me get closer. So Fred says to try this way because this side here looks too bulky, but I think maybe there may be a path on this side. So I will take Fred's advice and I will try to go through that way. See if I can get through to the other side. We'll see. So here I am. Fred is trying really hard to get to the other side, but it's just too much. I mean, I would have to get out of Fred. That sounds wrong. Get out of my kayak and try to haul it. I don't know. I have a decision to make. What do you think, Fred? What should we do? What should we do, my man? I can't see the other side, so hopefully I'll see it on the video. Okay, Fred says to go for it, so let's see. In here, and let's see. It's shallow. I can see the bottom. I'm stepping on a log, so I see. I'm glad I did that because I can see that there's too much vegetation all the way upstream. So yeah, I'm not gonna move forward. I am not going to. Shit. Anyway, yeah, my pants got wet. But anyway, I'm not gonna move forward. All right, Fred and I have decided that there's too much vegetation in the way, so we're gonna flow back downstream and check out the other side. Okay, all right, I will keep you informed. So flowing downstream from that blockage that Fred and I encountered, if you can see it in the back over there. There are homes. We're inside a neighborhood. This is Hunterscreek. And it's gonna be easier flowing downstream because the current is pretty strong. I mean, it wasn't difficult for me to paddle upstream, but it's gonna be easier now downstream. Oh, this is so nice. I just have to guide the kayak, basically. I don't have to paddle that much. This is beautiful. I love it. Actually, it's worth it coming all the way down here to this blockage, to this dead end, because it looks like a dead end, and just flowing downstream. Without hardly having to do anything. I do have to guide the kayak though, so that I don't have to paddle that much. I love the sounds. I love the smell. Say hello, Fred. Hello, hello.